Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add background photo behind Instagram story. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, at the top of the screen, tap on your story. Now, select the photo you want to post. You'll notice that Instagram adds a plain gray background by default, but we're going to change that. Next, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. From the options, select Photo. Now, choose the image you want to use as your background. Tap on the photo to change its shape, then resize and drag it. Place it in the center or anywhere that looks best. Adjust everything until your story looks clean, balanced, and professional. Once you're happy with the design, tap on your story at the bottom. And that's it. If found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.